Have you ever wondered how metals are recycled? If you have, you've landed on the right video. And if you haven't, well then I'm sure you're curious to know now. Welcome to the heart of steel manufacturing, where the incredible process of metal recycling can also be seen. Steel stands as one of the planet's most extensively recycled materials, surpassing plastic, glass, and copper. Over 50% of steel in the world is subjected to the recycling process, undergoing repeated melting and reuse. Let us explore how old scrap metal is transformed into new, high-quality steel products, showcasing the sustainability and ingenuity of the steel industry. Steel is frequently recycled for several compelling reasons. First and foremost, it contributes to resource conservation by reducing our reliance on iron ore, a finite and non-renewable resource. Recycling steel significantly cuts down the need for mining and extracting new iron ore, ensuring these valuable resources are preserved for future generations. Moreover, recycling steel is energy efficient. It requires far less energy compared to manufacturing steel from raw materials, which not only saves energy, but also reduces greenhouse gas emissions, thus lowering the carbon footprint associated with steel production. Our journey in the scrap metal recycling process begins with the collection of scrap metal from various sources. This can include discarded automobiles, construction materials, and appliances. The goal here is to gather as much recyclable metal as possible to feed the steel manufacturing process. Once collected, the scrap metal is transported to the steel manufacturing facility. Here, the metal goes through a meticulous sorting and preparation process. Scrap metal is typically transported on trucks designed for this purpose. Large cranes or heavy machinery may also be used to load and unload the metal at both collection points and the recycling facility. Skilled workers separate different types of metal to ensure that only steel scrap enters the recycling process. Once the steel scrap has been carefully sorted and prepared, the next phase involves shredding it into smaller, more manageable pieces. To accomplish this task, recycling facilities utilize powerful shredding machines equipped with robust blades. These machines are designed to break down the sorted steel scrap efficiently and effectively. Once the steel scrap has been shredded into smaller pieces, it's ready for the next transformative step. These shredded pieces are loaded into massive furnaces specifically designed for steel recycling. These furnaces are capable of generating and maintaining extreme temperatures, often exceeding 2,000 degrees Celsius or 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit. Inside the furnaces, the shredded steel scrap is exposed to this searing heat. The extreme temperatures cause the shredded metal to melt, transforming it into a molten liquid state. This molten steel is the raw material used in the production of new steel products. During the melting process, impurities like dirt, paint, and coatings are removed. As the shredded metal reaches its melting point, any remaining impurities or contaminants are separated and rise to the surface in the form of slag. This slag is carefully removed, leaving behind the pure, molten steel. In some cases, specific alloys are added to create steel with unique properties. In the steel manufacturing process, it's not uncommon to introduce specific alloys into the molten steel. These alloys are carefully chosen and added in precise proportions to achieve desired properties and characteristics in the final steel product. One common goal in alloying steel is to enhance its strength. By incorporating elements like chromium, nickel, or molybdenum, manufacturers can create steel that is not only stronger, but also more durable and resistant to wear and tear. This type of steel is often used in structural applications, such as building construction and infrastructure. Another critical aspect that can be achieved through alloying is corrosion resistance. Elements like chromium and copper are known for their ability to resist rust and corrosion. When added to steel, they create alloys that are highly resistant to environmental factors, making them ideal for applications exposed to moisture and harsh conditions, such as marine equipment or outdoor structures. Once the molten steel has undergone the purification process to remove impurities and achieve the desired composition, it is ready for the next critical step. This involves pouring the molten steel into specially designed molds. Whether the goal is to create steel beams, sheets, rods, or other forms, the mold design is essential in achieving the desired final shape and dimensions. The pouring of molten steel into molds is a highly precise operation. Workers ensure that the liquid steel flows evenly into every part of the mold, leaving no voids or imperfections. As the molten steel fills the molds, it begins to cool rapidly. The extreme temperature difference between the molten steel and the surrounding environment causes it to solidify and take on its final solid form. recycled steel finds applications in a diverse array of products and industries, contributing to sustainability and resource conservation. In the automotive sector, it can be a crucial component used to manufacture vehicle bodies, chassis, and various parts, enhancing fuel efficiency and environmental friendliness. Construction materials also benefit from recycled steel, with structural elements like beams, columns, and reinforcement bars being made from recycled steel, leading to more resilient and sustainable buildings. In packaging, steel cans and containers, including those for food and beverages, aerosols, and other products, may also contain recycled steel, offering eco-friendly packaging options. Household appliances like refrigerators, washing machines, stoves, and dishwashers can be designed with recycled steel, ensuring durability and environmental responsibility. These are just some of the many ways that recycled steel may be used. But whether it's used in construction, automotive manufacturing, or countless other industries, recycled steel plays a crucial role in building a sustainable and eco-friendly future. That said, here are 10 fun facts about steel recycling. Fact number 1. High recycling rate. Steel boasts an impressive recycling rate of over 88% in the United States, making it one of the most recycled materials. Fact number 2. Energy efficiency. Recycling steel is highly energy efficient. It requires significantly less energy compared to producing steel from raw iron ore, reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Fact number 3. Reduced resource consumption. Recycling a single ton of steel conserves approximately 2,500 pounds of iron ore, 1,400 pounds of coal, and 120 pounds of limestone. Fact number 4. Endless recycling. Steel has a unique property known as endless recyclability. It can be recycled continuously without losing its quality or strength. Fact number 5. Large-scale impact. The global steel industry recycles over 650 million metric tons of steel annually, contributing significantly to resource conservation and sustainability. Fact number 6. Reduced landfill waste. Steel recycling reduces the burden on landfills. Without recycling, discarded steel products would take up considerable space in landfills. Fact number 7. Energy savings. Recycling steel saves up to 74% of the energy required for primary steel production, which helps in conserving valuable energy resources. Fact number 8. Automotive contribution. A significant portion of recycled steel comes from end-of-life vehicles, highlighting the automotive industry's role in steel recycling. Fact number 9. Construction applications. Recycled steel is extensively used in the construction industry, where it is transformed into structural beams, reinforcing bars, and more. And fact number 10. Economic benefits. Steel recycling contributes to the economy by creating jobs in collection, processing, and manufacturing, thus supporting local communities. And there you have it, the incredible metal recycling process that powers the steel manufacturing industry. It's a testament to human innovation and environmental responsibility, where old metal finds new life, creating a strong and sustainable future. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to show us some love. Hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss out on more amazing content like this. Your support means the world to us. In closing, remember that recycling isn't just a process, it's a commitment to a brighter, greener future. Let's work together to make our world stronger, more sustainable, and simply awesome. Thanks again for joining us today, and keep recycling, folks. You're making a big difference. Stay awesome, and we'll catch you on the next video.